study is met with uncertainty, there's fear, and for some, there's even guilt pag pinag-uusapan ng family obligations. Okay. But it's much more than that. Marami pa tayong pwedeng pag-usapan on retirement. Retirement has long been seen as a financial finish line. Feeling natin kapag retirement na, ay finish line na yan financially. But no, it's much more than that. It's emotional, it's social. It's also shaped by your health, family, and our mindset towards it. Okay. What we created for the index is to help Filipinos understand where they are now. And for this index, what we want this to be is something that is relatable, something that is measurable, and if it is measurable, it becomes actionable. So hindi lang para may number